Hi, I'm seeing this kind of percentage error on social media, or at least on my social media among the people that I know or follow. The context here is that after Russia invaded Ukraine, there's a lot of sanctions being imposed on Russia, and as a result, the Russian currency, the ruble, lost a lot of value. So the first part here is true. The euro, which is the currency of much of Europe, gained 100% of value against the ruble. But a lot of people think that therefore it means that the ruble lost 100% of values against the euro. And that's just not true. That's not how percents work. Let's take a look. Let's go to xe.com and look up the exchange rates. Here's the price of the euro to ruble in the last 5 years. This is how many rubles it takes to buy 1 euro. For a while, it took about 60-something rubles to buy a euro. 68, 59.9, 64, 68, 69, 70. So let's call it about 65 on average. Whereas now it takes 129 rubles to buy 1 euro. Let's round it to 130 to make things simple. Started with 65 to a euro and now it's 130 to a euro. So what you're seeing is that the price went from 65 to 130. 130 is double of 65, so it's a 100% increase. But the increase of what? It's a 100% increase in the price of, what is 65 the price of? It's the price of 1 euro. It's not the price of 1 ruble. It's the price of 1 euro. So the euro gained 100% in value compared to the ruble. It does not mean the other way around. If you're saying something about the value of the ruble, if you are going to claim that the value of the ruble lost 100%, you have to look at the price of the ruble. For that, we need to switch the conversion. If we're trying to find the price of a ruble, we need to find how much it costs to buy 1 ruble using euros. The ruble was about 0.0166, 0.0160, 0.0156. Let's just call it 0.016 rounded. And right now it's down to 0.0079, which rounds to 0.008. So here we are. The price of the ruble went from about 0.016 down to 0.008, which is half. It's lost half its value, meaning it lost only 50% of its value. So I've said this before, and I'm going to say it again. A percent is never a standalone number. A percent is always a percent of something. The 100% increase is 100% of the price of euro. The loss in value is the loss in value of the price of ruble. So they're not the same thing at all. If you think in terms of the percent formula, is that they don't share the same base and therefore they cannot be compared directly. 100% going up is not 100% going back down. And all of this could be avoided if you could just remember one thing. It is possible for currency to go up by 100%, but it's almost impossible for currency to lose 100% of their value, because losing 100% means you lose completely, like absolutely everything down to actual zero, not just 0.008, but actual 0.0. And that is almost impossible for currency to do. You can go up by a certain percent, but when you go back down, it's a different percent. If you have another idea on how to instinctively understand that going up by a percent doesn't mean the same thing going down, put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.